Once upon a time, in a big green forest, there was a tiny blue bird named Benny. Benny loved to fly high in the sky, but there was just one problem. He was afraid to fly too far from his nest. One day, Benny saw his friends, Robbie the rabbit and Tilly the turtle, playing near the river. "Come play with us, Benny," called Robbie. I can't," Benny chirped. "What if I get lost?" Tilly smiled. "You'll never know how far you can go until you try." Benny took a deep breath. He flapped his little wings and flew a little farther and a little farther until he reached the river.
Wow!
"I did it!" Benny cheered. His friends clapped.
See?
"You're braver than you think," said Robbie. From that day on, Benny was no longer afraid to explore. He learned that trying new things can be scary, but it helps you grow. Moral of the story: be brave and try new things. You are stronger than you think.